The Galaxy S23 Ultra had small but significant design changes this year from Samsung. At first sight, the phone may resemble its predecessor, the S22 Ultra, but the company's 2023 phone shape is far more comfortable to handle because to its squarish frame, flatter display, and gently curved front and back glass panels. According to renowned leaker IceUnit, who is known for disclosing information about upcoming Samsung devices, the 2024 Galaxy S24 Ultra may completely ditch the curves in favor of a flat screen and curved sides. This is because the Note lineup has been discontinued. The displays on Samsung's Ultra phones have become flatter over time. This is best shown by the Galaxy S23 Ultra, which has a curved screen but a flat display surface that is larger than that of earlier flagship Galaxy phones. The Galaxy S24 Ultra from next year may be simpler to pick up and handle than the S23 Ultra thanks to its curved edges. One drawback of the flat display may be an increase in the size of the phone. According to IceUniverse, the Galaxy S24 Ultra will be 79mm broad, making it wider than the S23 Ultra, which is 78.1mm wide. However, the leaker's assertions are all supported by unreliable information. The Samsung S24 Ultra is said to have a titanium frame. Nevertheless, despite the switch to a denser and more expensive material, the phone may weigh less than the S23 Ultra. The switch to a 50-megapixel and 3x sensor, which should enhance picture quality for 3x to 9.9x photographs, is another speculated improvement in the works. The Galaxy S24 Ultra screen looks to be a perfect rectangular in various renderings posted by IceUniverse, and its gridded frames give the impression that it is wider than it really is. A rendering of the iPhone 15 Ultra, in comparison, reveals that Apple's phone will have a more user-friendly design. There has been some fresh confirmation on the forthcoming Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 leak. The latest Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 will power the Galaxy S24 Ultra next year, while Samsung also has plans to bring back the Exynos 2400 for the 24 Ultra. Since it is yet too early to tell how well either technique will work, we have waited and watched. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So with that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.